Be honest, how often do you struggle to keep your blog updated? Maybe you start strong, but then life gets busy and your posting schedule falls apart. Or you spend hours writing one article only to realize you need dozens more to actually grow your traffic. If that sounds familiar, you'll want to see this, because WPAutoBlog can handle that heavy lifting for you. WPAutoBlog is an AI-powered tool that automatically creates and publishes blog posts directly to your WordPress site. Think of it as your behind-the-scenes content assistant, generating SEO-optimized long-form articles complete with images, headings, and even internal links without you having to do all the manual work. Automatic long-form articles, you can generate full articles over 2,000 words, not just short filler posts. The AI structures them with proper H1, H2, and H3 tags so they're both reader-friendly and search engine ready. Keyword research built in. Instead of guessing what to write about, WPAutoBlog includes a keyword research tool. You can see search volume, cost per click, and keyword difficulty, so you're writing about topics that actually have ranking potential. Direct WordPress publishing. Once your content is ready, you don't need to copy and paste. WPAutoBlog connects directly to your WordPress site and publishes automatically, including images and internal links on the schedule you set. Multilingual support. If you're targeting global audiences, you'll love that it supports over 35 languages. Perfect if you run multiple sites or want to reach readers in different regions. Scalable for multiple sites. And here's a big one for agencies or niche bloggers. You can connect unlimited WordPress sites and manage them all from one place. Normally, WPAutoBlog charges $39 a month. That's over $460 a year. But right now on AppSumo, you can grab a lifetime deal starting at just $49. That gets you 25 articles per month forever. And if you need more, higher tiers give you up to 150 articles a month, plus extra features like trend research and niche question ideas, all for a one-time payment under $150. That's a fraction of what you'd spend on subscriptions or freelancers. If you've been struggling to publish consistently or you want to grow multiple blogs without burning out, WPAutoBlog is worth checking out. I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab the lifetime deal while it's still available. Remember, it's a one-time payment, and AppSumo gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. Go ahead, click the link below, and start putting your blog on autopilot.